Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. The National Labor Relations Board recently published its long-awaited final rule, setting a new test for determining joint employer status. Effective December 26, 2023, any business that has control or potential control over another employer's employees' essential terms and conditions of employment can be found to be a joint employer, regardless of whether the control is direct or indirect, and regardless of whether such ability to control is ever exercised. This new rule is likely to greatly affect employers that rely on third-party labor in their operations. Where a joint employer relationship is found, workers and unions may be able to force such a secondary employer to negotiate terms and conditions and to target them during contract negotiations and other labor disputes. If this rule survives court challenges and congressional review, it will mean many more businesses fall under that definition in a climate where union activity is already on the rise. The wait is finally over. The Senate has confirmed Karla Gilbride as the General Counsel of the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission and Jessica Looman as Wage and Hour Administrator for the Department of Labor. Both positions have been vacant since 2021, although Looman has been serving as Principal Deputy Administrator for the Wage and Hour Division since 2021. Gilbride will be the first blind individual to serve as General Counsel of the EEOC and is expected to continue her focus on disability discrimination and accommodation issues. The U.S. government dips its regulatory toe into AI. President Biden signed an executive order last Monday to regulate the potential risks associated with the use of artificial intelligence, including its use in employment. The order seeks to promote the safe, secure, and trustworthy development and use of artificial intelligence. It requires AI developers to share safety test data and other information with the government under the Defense Production Act. Other matters addressed in the order include privacy, civil rights, and worker rights, as AI is increasingly used for recruiting, hiring, and other employment decisions and evaluating worker productivity. The White House has already released draft guidance for federal agencies. Next steps include installing chief AI officers and conducting independent evaluations such as bias audits. But many see this as only the first step, calling for legislation from Congress. That's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.